Saving Reindeer and a Community in Mongolia. This is the VOA Special English Development Report. In far northern Mongolia, the survival of the smallest ethnic group in the country depends on reindeer. An American named Morgan K. visited the Satan community when was studying in Mongolia in 2002. Leaders told her that the animals were not healthy and the number of reindeer was getting too small to support the community. When she left, the chief gave her his grandfather's smoking pipe. That way she would remember the Satan and try to help them. The Satan have about 500 members. About half are reindeer herders up in the Taiga Mountains. The other half live in a town. Back in the United States, Morgan K. and a friend who had also studied in Mongolia started an organization. They named it Itjel, the Mongolian word for hope. The Itjel Foundation has helped bring foreign scientists to Mongolia to research and treat reindeer disease. Itjel also helps Satan Works build a community and visitor center. The building includes guest room for tourists. The Satan not only work as guides, they now provide all service for travelers. The community work in partnership with international tour operators. Those tour operators had formerly been in control of the service. People in the community designed the center, which they also own and manage. Before the visitor center was built, families earned an average of $100 a year. Now Morgan K. says the average is 3 to 4 times that. Money also goes into a community fund. 4 years ago, the Satan had fewer than 500 reindeer. Now, Morgan K. says the herd has just reached in 900. Last year, the Satan learned that the government of Mongolia planned to spend $1.5 million on their community, but no one had talked to the Satan about the plans. The Itjel Foundation organized a meeting between community members and government representatives. Morgan K. says the Satan are becoming economically independent for the first time. The Mongolian government is now considering a development plan written by the community. The plan deals with education, health, the environment, and economics. And that's the VOA Special English Development Report, written by Karen Leggett. For pictures, transcripts, and MP3 archive of our reports, go to vosspecialenglish.com.